how to start a contractor business. So a step-by-step guide. I've written in the prompts, and this is what punches out. Now I've focused on AI assistance, so it helps you complete work quicker in all aspects. Yeah, scheduling, communication, managing your emails, implementing an AI bot or a platform to assist you, automating routine tasks, managing client interactions, preparing your logos and templates. You need to set that up. You can do that in AI. Business registration, okay, that's a stock standard, needs to be complete. Then you would be looking into considering a business plan. So where you're going, what are your goals, what's your target market? AI can complete that. Insurances, taxes, WHS, licensing. Make sure you include a financial system. I would use a platform like Xero. Don't bother trying to do it spreadsheet, or unless you're well versed in it, look at learning a good platform. Same with planning and estimating tools. Use a good platform, Build a Trend, Co-Construct, I don't know, Build Exact. There's quite a few. Marketing, that's a big deal. Do a 5 month, 6 month plan, 12 months, 5 year. Consider how you're going to be doing it, especially when you're going to start up small. Contracts, make sure you're signing your contracts. That's super important for every part of the business, whether it's 1,000 to 1 million. Quality control checks, consider a system. And then finally, make sure you stay committed to your business. Consistency is key. Consider growth and expansion.